Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Special leave petitions, civil and special leave petition, civil number 12528 of 1986 have been heard analogously as the common question of law and fact arise in these matters, and all the above matters are disposed of by this common judgment. Stop. It appears that various persons joined service of the government of Rajasthan in the Department of State Insurance and Provident Fund as lower division clerks at the daily wage of ₹15. Stop. Such appointment at the daily wage of ₹15 was made pursuant to the approval given by the General Administrative Department of Government of Rajasthan by letter dated 5 September 1984. Stop. The persons getting such employment continued to work as lower division clerks with breaks at times. Stop. But after some time their service were terminated. Stop. For example, in the case of Surinder Kumar Gyani, appointment was made on 8 October 1984 and the impugned termination was effected on 30 September 1985 afternoon with break in service on 15 June 1985 and appointment on 22nd June 1985. Stop. Civil writ petition number 1720 of 1985 was taken up for hearing before single bench of Rajasthan High Court along with a number of other writ petitions referred to in Schedule A to the judgment. Stop. It was contended at the hearing of the writ petition on behalf of the petitioners in the writ petitions that the Department of State Insurance and Provident Fund, Government of Rajasthan, was an industry under Section 2J of the Act and the writ petitioners were workmen under Section 2 within bracket S of the Act. Stop. The termination of the service of the writ petitioners constitute retrenchment under Section 2 of the Act, and the said orders of retrenchment having been passed in contravention of the mandatory provisions of clauses A and B of Section 25F of the Act, inasmuch as writ petitioners were neither given 1 month's notice nor they had been paid the salary for a month in lieu thereof as required in clause A of section 25F, and they are also not paid retrenchment compensation as required under clause B of section 25F of the Act. Stop. Accordingly, the impugned orders of termination passed against the writ petitioners were void and of no consequence, and the writ petitioners should be treated as in service. Stop. The writ petitioners also contended that the impugned orders of termination had been passed contravention of the provisions of section 25G of the Act, inasmuch as persons who had been recruited subsequent to the petitioners and became juniors to the petitioners in service had been retrained while the services of the petitioners had been terminated. Stop. It was further contended that there was no need for retrenchment, and even after the said illegal retrenchment, other persons were employed on daily wage basis as lower division clerks. Stop. Such writ petitions were contested by the respondents, namely the state of Rajasthan and director of the state insurance and the provident fund department, Rajasthan. Stop. It was contended on behalf of the respondents that since the writ petitioners were employed in the discharge of legal functions of the state in Department of State Insurance and the Provident Fund, Government of Rajasthan, the provisions of Section 25 of the Act were not applicable to such employees. Stop. Hence, the question of non-compliance with the requirement of retrenchment compensation and notice under Section 25 of the Act did not arise. Stop. It was also contended that the appointments made to the writ petitioners were only a stop-gap arrangement and was a condition of appointment. The service of the writ petitioners was liable to be terminated without any notice. Stop.